Hey guys, so I got these laundry shoe bags to wash shoes because I don't like scrubbing them. So these are really good material. All you have to do is throw in the shoe in here and then you close it up and then you just throw it in the washer. And these are so cool. I'm gonna link these down below. Like, I'm gonna use them right now. Like, I'm so excited. I have these really dirty shoes that I do not want to scrub. I got these at the thrift store and I do not want to scrub them. But yeah, this is the before. They're really dirty and I'm just gonna throw this one in here. So this one is a size 3 in girls. They're both size 3 and they're really dirty from the bottom. So right now I'm gonna throw them in my mini washer so you guys could see. So guys, you guys could use a mini washer like me, or you guys could use a regular washer and then just throw it in there and the washer is gonna spin it, and then you put the detergent and the washer is gonna do its thing and the bags are gonna do its thing. And then I'll show you guys the after right now after I finish. And you put your detergent. And I'm gonna show you guys the after when it's finished. So guys, I ended up taking out the soles of the shoe. They're pretty clean. And let's do a shoe reveal. The zipper was closed. This is the shoe after it was washed. It does have some yellow like fuzz from the bag, but it cleaned it pretty well. As you guys could see, this is how clean it is after the wash. I'll probably just do a final wash, like to take out the yellow from the bag. But this is the first shoe, super clean, as you guys can see. And then I'm gonna show you guys the second shoe, which is right here in the bag. So this is the second shoe. Really nice. It cleaned it really nicely and it just has like the yellow fuzz, but just gonna rinse it. But yeah guys, it cleaned the shoes pretty well besides the little fuzz that it left, but that can be washed off. If you guys are interested in this laundry shoe bag, make sure that you guys click the link down below. It comes with one bag for each shoe, and you could wash bigger shoes, not just kid shoes. You could wash your toddler shoes. And yeah, this saved me time on scrubbing because I don't like scrubbing the shoes for too long. But yeah guys, laundry bag for the win. And yeah, this is a up close on the shoes, how clean they got. I think they would have got a little bit more cleaner in the washer, like a regular washer. But overall, great job for the shoe bag. Like, I'm impressed. The soles, I only washed them once. Like, I only put the wash once. This is just with one wash in the washer. But yeah guys, the link will be down below if you guys are interested in the shoe bag. And yeah.